In this ultimate step-by-step tutorial, we'll guide you through the entire process of starting a dropshipping business on TikTok, from finding your perfect product, connecting with a reliable supplier, setting up your Shopify store, registering for a TikTok business account, applying and integrating with TikTok Shop, marketing your products using TikTok ads and influencers, growing your TikTok followers organically, to fulfilling orders efficiently and providing excellent customer service. This is the only complete tutorial you need to follow to start dropshipping on TikTok. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive in. Step 1, finding a winning niche or product. First things first, let's find that winning product that will have your target audience rushing to hit the Buy Now button. Head over to Google Trends and type in some keywords related to your niche. This will give you a clear idea of which products are trending and have the potential to be bestsellers. Next, let's hop on over to the AliExpress Dropshipping Center. Here you can browse through a curated selection of top-selling products and get inspired by success stories from other dropshippers. Look for products with high order volumes and positive reviews, as these are usually a good indicator of a winning item. Pro tip: don't forget to check out TikTok's Discover page for trending hashtags and challenges related to your niche. This can give you valuable insights into what your target audience is currently interested in. Step 2, connecting with a reliable dropshipping supplier. Now that you've found your winning product, it's time to find a trustworthy supplier who can bring your vision to life. AliExpress is a great place to start your search, as it offers a wide variety of suppliers for almost every product imaginable. When browsing through supplier options, be sure to look for those with high ratings, positive reviews, and a track record of successful transactions. You can also use platforms like CJ Dropshipping to find pre-vetted suppliers and streamline your ordering process. Once you've found a potential supplier, reach out to them and introduce yourself. Ask about their production times, shipping methods, and any potential customization options. Building a strong relationship with your supplier is key to ensuring a smooth and successful dropshipping experience. Step 3, setting up your dropshipping store on Shopify. With your winning product and reliable supplier in hand, it's time to build the online storefront of your dreams. For this tutorial, we'll be using Shopify, one of the most popular and user-friendly e-commerce platforms out there. To get started, head over to shopify.com and sign up for a new account. Choose a memorable name for your store and select a theme that matches your brand aesthetic. Don't worry if you're not a design pro. Shopify offers plenty of customizable templates to choose from. Next, let's add some essential pages to your store. Go to Online Store, Pages, and create an About Us, Contact, and Privacy Policy page. These pages help build trust with your potential customers and provide important information about your business. Now for the exciting part, adding your products. Install the Oberlo app from the Shopify App Store, which allows you to easily import and manage products from AliExpress. Simply search for your winning product, click Import, and voila! It's now ready to be sold on your store. Step 4, registering for a TikTok business account. With your Shopify store up and running, it's time to set up shop on TikTok. First, download the TikTok app and create a new account. Be sure to choose a username that's memorable and reflective of your brand. Next, go to your profile settings and switch to a business account. This will give you access to valuable features like analytics, insights, and the ability to run ads. Fill out your profile information, including a profile picture, bio, and link to your Shopify store. Pro tip: use your bio to showcase your unique value proposition and encourage visitors to check out your store. Something like viral TikTok gadget, get yours now at your store link, can be a great way to grab attention and drive traffic. Step 5, applying and integrating with TikTok Shop. Now it's time to apply for TikTok Shop and integrate it with your Shopify store. TikTok Shop is a powerful feature that allows users to purchase your products directly within the app, making the buying process seamless and convenient. To apply, go to your TikTok business account settings and navigate to TikTok Shop. Follow the prompts to fill out your business information and submit your application. TikTok will review your application and notify you once you're approved. Once approved, it's time to integrate your Shopify store with TikTok Shop. Install the TikTok Shopify app from the Shopify App Store and follow the setup instructions. This will sync your product catalog and orders between the two platforms, making it easy to manage your sales and fulfillment process. Step 6. Marketing your products using TikTok, ads, and influencers. Now that your TikTok shop is set up and ready to go, it's time to start driving traffic and sales. One of the most effective ways to do this is through TikTok ads and influencer partnerships. To create a TikTok ad, go to your business account settings and navigate to Ad Manager. Choose your ad objective, examples traffic or conversions. Set your budget and targeting preferences, and create your ad creative. Be sure to showcase your product in action and include a clear call to action directing viewers to your TikTok shop. Another great way to get your products in front of your target audience is by partnering with TikTok influencers in your niche. Use a tool like TikTok Creator Marketplace to find and collaborate with relevant influencers. Provide them with your product and a brief creative brief, and let them work their magic in creating engaging content that showcases your brand. Step 7. Growing your TikTok followers organically. In addition to paid ads and influencer partnerships, growing your TikTok following organically is crucial for long-term success. Focus on creating valuable, entertaining content that resonates with your target audience and showcases your products in a natural, authentic way. Use relevant hashtags and participate in trending challenges to increase your visibility and reach. Engage with your followers by responding to comments, hosting live streams, and running giveaways or contests. Building a loyal community around your brand will help drive word-of-mouth marketing and increase your sales over time. Step 8. Fulfilling orders efficiently and providing excellent customer service. As the orders start rolling in, it's important to have a streamlined process in place for order fulfillment and customer service. Use the Oberlo app to automatically process and track your orders, and communicate regularly with your supplier to ensure timely and accurate fulfillment. Provide prompt and helpful customer service to build trust and loyalty with your buyers. Respond to inquiries and concerns in a friendly and professional manner, and be proactive in addressing any issues that may arise. Consider using a customer service tool like Tidio to manage your support inquiries and provide a seamless experience for your customers. And there you have it, my friends. A comprehensive guide to starting and growing a successful dropshipping business on TikTok Shop. By following these steps and putting in the time and effort, you can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a reality and build a thriving online business. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Money Flux for more game-changing tips and strategies for TikTok success. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!